Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I have a special ointment just for you. This ointment is a timeless classic. This is Vicks Vapor Rub, and surprisingly, it's getting more and more difficult to locate this product. This product is ideal. It has helped me and literally saved me in so many incidents ever since I was a kid, and it still comes in so beneficial to this day. What's it for? It is for bad coughs, chesty coughs, and also if you have cold, flu, if you're having difficulty breathing. It is amazing. Now, this can really help you, really help you, and I'm not joking. This is so powerful. So what you can do is you can actually open it as so, like this. As you can see, there's mine. And you just take some off and you can rub it on your throat area, on your neck, and on your chest, especially if you're a kid. But you cannot use this if you are 2 years old and below. So only above 2 years old you can use this. If you're having difficulty breathing, get a little bit and just rub it under the nose. But you've got to be careful that it does not go inside your nasal area, inside your nose, and definitely not in your eyes, because this will burn. So be very carefully when using it on young children. Now, also, another powerful way that I used to use this, I used to get around 2 teaspoons of this, dropped in hot water, mixed, stirred around. Then I used to place my face on it if my breathing difficulties was very serious. So I would get the bowl right there. I would have 2 teaspoons of this plonked in the hot water. I would then get a towel, put my face over the bowl like this, and all the steam would come up into me. And with the towel over, the steam would go directly into my nasal area. This was very effective, very powerful, and it really helped me to breathe quicker. So yeah, this is ideal. If you haven't used it, if you haven't heard about it, then you have now. Check it out. You must add this to your medicine cabinet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, please like my videos, subscribe to my channel for more content and product reviews just like this.